He was lying on a concrete floor just outside the General Hospital in the Mexican coastal city of Guaymas.
¿Cómo te llamas?
José Sánchez.
He told a local reporter he was 38 years old. He had been treated and released, but said he still felt so ill he couldn't walk.
¿Cuántos días tienes aquí?
José Sánchez said he had already spent 2 nights lying there when the interview was shot on October 17. He died 4 days later. Gilberto Bermúdez, a local journalist, interviewed Sánchez 4 days before his death. He says the laborer was very thin and frail.
Y no lo atendieron porque
they didn't take care of him because apparently he didn't have money to pay for the consultation, or maybe they just thought he was indigent. He told me that he was not taken care of because they thought he was a drunkard.
The hospital director said Sánchez was treated for dehydration and malnutrition and then released.
No amerita hospitalización.
Clinically, this case didn't merit hospitalization. There was no data for us to say that admission was necessary or that required us to do further tests. He was treated when he wished to be treated.
The director has since been fired. The new director at the Guaymas General Hospital declined CNN's request for an interview. We also reached out to the Sonora State Department of Health. Authorities sent us a statement confirming the hospital director had been fired. The statement also says an investigation has been launched. Authorities haven't explained why medical staff didn't do more for Sánchez. Mexico's National Health Secretary condemned the incident.
The delicate issue here is that he died outside the hospital, and that's why this has to be investigated so thoroughly, so that we can find out exactly what happened.
Earlier this month, the director of another public clinic in Mexico was suspended after a woman gave birth on the lawn in front of the medical facility. Irma Diaz claimed the hospital did not admit her despite her advanced stage of pregnancy. Officials at that clinic admitted there were not enough night staff on duty and insisted they're doing all they can to get to the bottom of the incident.
no entendemos.
We can't understand why indigent people in Mexico are denied medical care. Medical services here at the Guaymas General Hospital have been deficient.
A situation that apparently meant the difference between life and death for José Sánchez. Rafael Romo, CNN, Atlanta.